Think your winter drinks are harmless? Think again. A high street pumpkin spice latte contains about 390 calories, but you don't have to give it up. Here are 4 hot drinks for the winter that won't knock you off your plan. You will need 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk beverage, 1 tablespoon grated fresh turmeric, 2 teaspoons pure maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, sprinkle of ground pepper, sprinkle of ground cinnamon for garnish. Prepare the ginger using a teaspoon to scrape the outer layer off, and then grate in a blender. Combine the milk, turmeric, maple syrup or honey, ginger and pepper. Process on high until very smooth, about 1 minute. Pour into a small saucepan and heat over medium-high heat until steaming hot, but not boiling. Transfer to a mug. Garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon if desired.
For a pumpkin spice latte, you will need milk or unsweetened nut, soy, hemp or oat milk, 3 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon pure maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, plus more for garnish, 1 cinnamon stick, coffee. Prepare the puree by scraping out a small pumpkin and blitzing in a blender. Heat the milk in a small pot over medium heat. Add in the pumpkin puree, maple syrup and nutmeg and whisk. Add cinnamon stick. Heat just to a simmer. Do not boil it though. Use a milk frother or a whisk to create a foamy consistency, if desired. Add a small amount of coffee to a mug, then pour in the milk mixture. Garnish with the cinnamon stick and a pinch of nutmeg. For a healthy hot chocolate, you will need unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, low-fat milk. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a mug. You can either heat the low-fat milk in a pan or add the milk directly to the mug cold and heat in a microwave. For extra flavor, you could add orange zest, ground cloves, vanilla extract, chili powder, or ground cinnamon.
For our herbal chamomile health tonic, you will need 6 bags chamomile tea, 2 teaspoons grated fresh ginger, 4 slices lemon, 2 to 4 teaspoons honey, 2 sprigs rosemary lightly bruised. Throw the tea bags into a heat-proof bowl and add boiling water and give a stir. Then, add the 4 slices of lemon, the 2 teaspoons grated fresh ginger, 2 to 4 teaspoons of honey, and the 2 sprigs of rosemary, and keep it stirring. Leave for 20 minutes, giving the occasional stir. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, then serve with one of the slices of lemon and refrigerate the leftover liquid for up to 3 days.